What's up, everyone? What is a coxinha? I personally am addicted to these. I think they are delicious, but what is it? What are they? A coxinha, and they look like this, is a very popular street food snack here in Brazil. They come in many different sizes and are filled with chopped or shredded chicken meat. Coxinha literally means a little thigh, and these are meant to be a drumstick snack of sorts. Some will add cheese, potatoes, peppers, spices, and more before smothering it in dough, and then it's battered and fried to perfection. Coxinhas are known to have originated in the early 1900s in Sao Paulo, and by 1950 had started to spread all over Brazil. And the official story is that a wealthy family had a son who loved eating drumsticks as a snack, and one day the chef for the family was out of drumsticks, so decided to use a whole chicken and create their own version of a drumstick, frying the dough in the shape of one. And so it became a hit with the child, it stuck, and now you can find these everywhere in many different varieties. So make sure you take time to try a few next time you're visiting Brazil. Like I said, I love these. I think they're so delicious. And each one is a little different depending on where you get it from. So, all right, check out coxinhas.